What if adding a smart, AI-powered chatbot to your website was as easy as dropping in a few lines of code? Microsoft just made that possible, and it could change how we interact with the web entirely. They've unveiled NL Web, an open project that lets any site offer a conversational interface. That means with minimal setup, a retailer could have a chatbot that helps you plan outfits for your next trip. Or a cooking site could instantly suggest dishes to pair with your favorite recipe. And the best part? You can use the AI model of your choice, powered by your own data. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on how you'd use AI chatbots in your own business. Here's where it gets even more interesting. NL web pages can optionally share their content with AI platforms that use MCP, a standard from Anthropic that connects AI models directly to where your data lives. Microsoft is hinting this could be the HTML moment for what they call the agentic web, where users interact with content in a richer, more semantic way. While Microsoft isn't confirming it, this project might trace back to tech from OpenAI. Reports last year suggested OpenAI was working with companies like Condé Nast, Redfin, Eventbrite, and Priceline on something similar. Back then, it was pitched as a way for brands to bring ChatGPT-style experiences to their sites. But delays and technical hurdles slowed things down, until now. With NL Web ready for prime time, Microsoft might have just cracked the code for making conversational AI a native part of the internet. If you want to see where this tech could take us next, check out the related video in the corner. And don't just watch, take action. Explore what AI can do for your own site before your competitors beat you to it.